Okay. So, you may grade 1 and grade 2, pwede na kami mag-proceed sa inyo ang 1, 2, and grade 3 will stay to get ang tubuan na karoon, ipanghatas sa bidiwat. So, kung ano yung isa-isa lang. Okay? Everybody should get something from here. No? Ang iba na ninahalampangan, you will give that to the preschool. Okay? Thank you very much and good morning.
Okay, that's time for program. Thank you. You may now proceed to your respective classroom.
Grade 3, get ready. Para